Today we are reviewing Syllaby, an AI-powered tool designed to help users generate written content faster and with less effort. In this video, we'll break down its main features, pros, cons, and whether it's actually worth using. Let's get into it. What is Syllaby? Syllaby is an AI writing assistant platform that helps users create different types of content, such as blog posts, marketing copy, social media content, short form text, and ideas. The goal of the tool is simple: help you write faster with less manual effort using AI generated suggestions. It's mainly targeted at content creators, marketers, students, and freelancers who need quick writing support. Key features. Now let's look at the main features Syllaby offers. AI content generation. Syllaby can generate full paragraphs, ideas, or structured content based on a prompt you provide. You simply enter a topic and it produces ready to use text. Number two, multiple content types. The platform usually supports different formats such as blog sections, product descriptions, ad copy, social media captions. This makes it useful for different writing needs in one place. Editing and rewriting tools. This is number three. Syllabi often includes tools to rewrite existing text, improve clarity, simplify complex sentences. This is helpful if you already have content but want to polish it. Number four, fast output generation. One of its main selling points is speed. It generates content within seconds, which is useful for users working under tight deadlines. Number five, user-friendly interface. The platform is generally designed to be simple, meaning no advanced setup required, easy prompt input, clean dashboard. Even beginners can start using it quickly. Pros. Now let's go over the advantages. Number one, saves time. Syllabi can significantly reduce writing time by generating content instantly. Number two, beginner friendly. You do not need writing or technical experience to use it. Number three, versatile use cases. It works for blogs, ads, captions, and general writing tasks. Number four, good for idea generation. If you do not fully use the output, it helps spark ideas and structure your writing. Number five, quick output. It performs well when you need fast drafts or rough content. Cons. Now let's talk about the downsides. Number one, we have limited creativity in some outputs. Like most AI tools, the content can sometimes feel generic, repetitive, not highly creative. Number two, needs human editing. You usually still need to refine and fact check the output before using it professionally. Number three, may lack advanced features. Compared to bigger AI platforms, it might not offer deep customization, advanced tone control, and complex workflows. Number four, quality depends on prompts. If your input is weak, the output will also be weak, so prompt quality matters a lot. Who should use Syllabi? Syllabi is best for content creators needing quick drafts, freelancers handling multiple writing tasks, beginners exploring AI writing tools, marketers creating simple ad copy or captions. It is not ideal for professional long form writers needing deep originality, academic or technical writing without editing, users expecting fully finished, publish ready content. Final verdict. So is Syllabi worth it? Yes, if you need a fast and simple AI writing assistant for everyday content tasks, but if you expect highly creative, fully polished, or advanced writing output, you will still need to edit and refine the results. Overall, it's a useful productivity tool, especially for beginners and content creators who want to save time. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like and subscribe. Turn on the bell icon to get all the new about AI and such agents. Share this video to your friend who wants to know more about Syllabi. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.